Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm covering a report that Copilot PCs aren't selling all that well. Let's jump into it. Here I have a report from the Register outlining a few of the challenges that these new AI-powered PCs are having. So there's not a whole lot of sales data in this report, but they do mention that only 5% of laptops sold in Europe in Q4 were Copilot PCs. They say that 40% of the total were AI PCs. I'm guessing that the rest of those are Macs, as the M3 chip does include an NPU, even if Apple doesn't play up that feature too much in their marketing. But 5% does seem pretty low for these Copilot PCs. And there's probably a few reasons for this. First, these PCs are priced at a pretty heavy premium compared to the average. Distributor data claims that these PCs are at a 57% price premium. That seems pretty significant to me. But I don't think that the premium alone would be a problem if people understood the value of these machines, and that is what is lacking. There is no killer app or use case for these devices, and honestly, I don't see one on the horizon anytime soon. And to make matters worse, most of these machines are running ARM chips, which create some compatibility issues. And before you rush off and correct me in the comments, yes, I know Microsoft created the Prism emulator to address this, but I think there's still some issues with that. And I think this is a real problem for the corporate buyer. I can imagine IT departments balking at the higher cost for features they don't need and for the potential of compatibility issues with legacy internal applications. They just don't want to get those calls to the help desk. But it's not all doom and gloom. Apparently, Gartner thinks that these PCs will dominate shipments by next year. I'm not sure why they think that, but it's something, I suppose. And at some point, these neural processing units will probably become standard parts of PC CPUs, and it'll be difficult to buy a machine without it. That'll probably take some time, maybe a few years for that to happen, but it certainly seems likely. But I don't think that the future of Windows on ARM is a certainty. That may be the more interesting aspect of this story. Is there gonna be another effort to push Windows machines running ARM processors, or are the PC makers gonna bail on this? It's tough to say at this point. The news isn't great, but I don't think it's calamitous either. I'm guessing we'll have a better read on this by the end of the year. But what do you think? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.